Got him. Yeah! Oh, we got more fish.
Today we have high school students participating in Coastal Camp Citrus 2026. We are taking the students through the Salt River into the Gulf near an island that is a shell midden left behind by Native Americans a couple thousand years ago. There's shallow seagrass meadows around there. When we arrive on the site, we'll be having a discussion about the location and its interconnectedness with the other habitats within this coastal region of Citrus County. We'll be doing water quality testing where we'll evaluate dissolved oxygen, temperature, salinity.
Salinity is 32.79.
We do this prior to getting into the water with the students to get an evaluation of the abiotic factors that are supporting the living things within the ecosystem.
That is a striped burrfish.
Your right hand there, your left hand down here.
The students will go into the water with us. It's a shallow water area where they'll be wading around in the seagrass meadow using long-handled dip nets, collection containers, identification cards.
You're going to write down silver Jenny.
And sampling the area to see which organisms live within there.
We got pipefish.
We also got a pipefish too.
Very
Bro,
cool.
you are fearless.
I love Coastal Camp Citrus. It's a great camp, both for people who've never been out with experience in nature before, or people who've been out in nature 100 times.
We'll also later on use what's called a seine net to sample the same area. So they're contrasting different sampling techniques and seeing the variety of species that can live within a seagrass meadow. What we're trying to instill in these campers is an appreciation for the coastal ecosystems that we have here in Citrus County, starting at the spring systems in the Crystal River, downstream into the estuary and out to the Gulf, impressing upon them the importance of protecting our watersheds, our spring sheds, because all of those are interconnected with these waterways.
It's a really good camp, and I really recommend it to everybody because they have the middle school program and the high school program. It's really helpful. You get to learn a lot about the ocean, especially like if you've never been out to the ocean.
What fish do you have in here?
We run 3 weeks of Coastal Camp Citrus, 2 of which are middle school camps, and those are kids who are ages 12 to 13. The high school camp is kids 14 through 18. The Citrus County School District's Marine Science Station gets support from the Southwest Florida Water Management District to operate this camp at a cost that's very affordable for our local families.
I'm really inspired by the Marine Science Station and the staff. I think they're awesome people, and I aspire to be like them.
This is a really enjoyable camp. I've been coming for around 5 years, so I'm really enjoying it, and I really hope to come back next year.
Now more than ever, we need to give our students and young people opportunities to get outdoors more often.
We really soaked in the beauty of Florida and what it has to offer. Awesome week. I love it so much.